Hey y'all, this is Dan from Freedom Garage, and I've got my friend Brad here who brought by 2009 Toyota Camry. He's getting a code on it, so we put the code reader up to it. It's a P0356. Typically that's related around the ignition coil pack, specifically for cylinder 6. So we started going down that route, but I wanted to share something, a troubleshooting thing that was kind of becoming very obvious, but it was hard for us to figure out until we actually saw it. So here you can see the motor's running. There's no codes going on right now, so we're good. And you can see coming in here, we got that motor. It's this guy right here. You can see that's cylinder number 6. But if you can see on the connector, that little snap has been pulled off. That plastic tab that retains that. So if this wiggles loose, so you're driving and it wiggles loose, and now you start to see, you can see that engine start to shake. And if we go back inside, so now that engine's shaking, we're going to come back inside here, and you're going to see there's a check engine light right in there. And before I had no check engine light codes going. Let me run my scan here. And once this comes up, it should have a P0356. There you can see it. Again, that ignition coil. And I'm going to go ahead, and you'll see this. I'm going to go ahead and seat that connector right back in there. That engine starts to hum a little bit better. It's not vibrating anymore. You can see that. Again, it was all because that connector, that plastic strip, was broken off, that tab. So we're going to end up having to rewire this, put a really good connector on that. And if you can go back in here, I'll be able to clear the codes. We'll go ahead. We're going to clear the code. It erases, and you can see, there you go, check engine light has gone away, and it won't come back on. That check engine light won't come back on unless that connector gets loose again. So we're going to go take care of the VSC and the ABS lights now, and just wanted to share that with y'all because it took us a little while to figure out and troubleshoot it. Talk to y'all later.